Back to the Industrial Revolution. 18th century, the expansion of trade and the high demand for goods led the merchant to change the improvement of their method of production. 18th century, expansion of the trade made the merchants to think to increase more production. So new methods were adopted. Before, man used to work in the house and very small scale artisan families produced the production and very few people practiced the agriculture. This system changed due to the need of the production, need of the people. More consumers came forward. The scarcity of the production become less. So 18th century, merchants set up their industry from home to factory. Beginning में industry was continued in the family members with the skilled family and their man-made people. People were continued the trade. Now when the need of the production more in the market, the merchants changed their production from home to the factories. Factories were set up. They installed new machineries. Instead of using the hands, man resources more used previous years. Now man resources is not enough to produce more production. Consumers are needed, more things are needed for the consumers. So they used the machinery. New machineries were brought, raw materials and employees working on fixed wages. More employees are brought, more raw materials bought, more machineries are brought, and the wages or the salary for the workers fixed. Then machine made goods. The industry came into being where goods were manufactured in factories. So when the raw materials, sufficient labors and a fixed wages for the workers made the merchants to bring their factories more goods in the industry. So the rapid development of industry in the 18th century to 19th century brought introduction of machinery. So this period is known as an industrial revolution. It was characterized by the use of steam power. Steam engine founded and steam power was used to run the machineries in the factories. So mass production of manufactured goods taken. More production of the manufactured goods collected in the factories. So industrial revolution started first in Britain. Number of factories are set up. Then number of new industries are born in the different part of the countries. Soon there is an industrial revolution take place in the European continent. Now improvement of the agriculture. Before improvement